I'm delighted to welcome you all to what is an important new initiative for the Building Centre, but also I think for the global economy and the global construction industry.
China Design Centre is a completely new venue for the UK, and as far as you know, there is no other permanent China Design Centre like this anywhere else in the world. So, what is the China Design Centre? China Centre is a window for Chinese design to show the excellent Chinese design to the world, to UK. Also, it opens a window for UK designers to understand, to collaboration with Chinese design.
Well, I think the China Design Centre can bring a bit of a snapshot of some of the incredible innovation in design and the arts generally that's happening in China right now as the country, as people really kind of wrestle with solving a lot of challenges around urbanization and the environment, and really serving a huge market, but with technology as well. And I think some of the solutions that we're seeing in China are mind-blowing, and we need to hear about it here in the UK. We need to really change our perceptions of what it's really like out there and actually see that there's a huge amount going on that we need to know about.
It will bring the quality of talent that's in China, that the Chinese are building at an extraordinary rate.
It's really important that there is an actual centre for Chinese design here in London, and the reason for that is you've got to have a face-to-face connection with Chinese people, Chinese designers and our own designers, and certainly for our architects or engineers, landscapers, whatever it is, and product designers. To actually have people on the ground here is very welcome.
I hope that the Chinese Design Centre will build a better understanding amongst British designers for the cultural inheritance of China, because what people from London and other international centres build is international architecture. There is no coherent understanding of Chinese design being delivered by top architects.
I think that China has the ability to take what they learn from the UK, turn it into something that is specifically Chinese, and possibly give it back to us.
This centre is absolutely paramount. China, there are very few places that China has as a natural springboard to be able to launch their ideas. And there's many people that haven't quite caught up with just how incredible Chinese design is in Europe.
Yeah, I think if you see already some of the designs in this exhibition and others that will come, you'll see that there's huge creativity out there. It's not necessarily the stereotype that we would imagine. And London is a great place because also lots of Chinese come through here. It's the global capital, if you like. So it's perfectly placed to be a showcase for the best of what China's doing right now.
Well, China is now the second largest economy in the world, and in a month's time to be the largest economy. What China does today, the rest of the world has to look at tomorrow.